Hey guys, Ben here. So in today's video, I'll be walking you through on the quickest way you can start yourself an online business. People make it so difficult starting an online business and they are always trying to find a cheat code on how to start yourself a business. It's really not that complicated. You just need a brand so that you can get people expecting certain product or service from you, or creating a buzz around something so that when you offer them something that is valuable, they can be able to pay and get that product from you or a service from you. So I'll be showing you a quickest example on a simple business that people can start. So I'll be showing you the platform you can use to create that product, and I'll also be walking you through on some platforms that you can use to promote it. We're going to be using Canva. So when you come to my website, you'll find I have some softwares that I've categorized as digital marketer tools, and you can check out Canva if you're a person that's interested in using Canva and use the pro features for absolutely free. You can check out Canva, or you can go direct to Canva by simply searching for canva.com and go to their official website. You'll be able to sign up and get yourself a free account. But if you're interested in getting the Canva Pro for 30 days for absolutely free, you can try it out and get extra features that you can't find with a normal account like this. And when you get here, what you simply have to do is come up with an ebook. So how you're going to come up with an ebook and put content that's valuable is simply going on Google and searching for valuable information that your people in your niche are going to appreciate. So for example, you can come up with an ebook that shows people on how to grow a following on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram. And when you make that ebook, what you simply have to do is customize it, make it all professional, check out some covers that other people are making. You can do all your research on Google and everything like that. And then when you come up with how you want to design your book and you're done adding all the tips that you found on Google on how to grow a following on TikTok, on YouTube, or anything that you feel is going to be valuable. It doesn't have to be based on growing accounts or anything like that. You can come up with an ebook that shows people how to get fit. If you're in the health niche, where you show people how to get six-pack abs, how to get in shape, you can come up with an ebook that simplifies everything, shows the diet, how to go about the diet, what you have to eat, and everything if you're in the nutrition niche. So once you come up with an ebook, you now find a platform where you can promote your ebook. But you might be asking, how am I going to be taking payments? I don't know how to create a website. I don't know how to do that. You can come to this website, guys, which is called Gumroad. When you come to Gumroad, you can get started with Gumroad and upload your ebook, and you'll be able to take payments with Gumroad, and you'll be able to receive your money. So once you create an ebook, you come to Gumroad. When you come to Gumroad, you click where it says product. So when you come to where it says products, you click where it shows new product, and then when you get to this part, you can write your ebook name. So Get Fit 2022. You can come up with a catchy title. I'm just giving an example. So Get Fit 2022. You can add the price, for example, $5. You don't have to go insane with the price, or $10. And then you click on where it says customize next. Then you can describe more what your ebook is about, write all the right information that your audience is going to be reading to understand what your ebook is about. Then you can upload an image that's going to be appearing right here. You can create an image. You can use this same platform to create all your creative with the ebook, and also the thumbnail of your ebook. You can add it right there. For example, I'll add this image, and it will be able to appear right there. So that's how it's going to look, and that's how your price is going to look. I want it, people will be able to get it. When you add your description, for example, it's going to appear right there. Buy, your description will be there. The more information you add, the more it's going to show. and you can make sure you check all the right information that you need for your audience to understand what your ebook about. If you want to integrate something, you can add this, and then you can add the API or token that you want to integrate. This is not important, you don't have to do that. Just add your price, scroll down, leave everything the same. Limit product sales, you can limit it. If you want to only sell 50, you can do that. Allow customers to choose a quantity, you can do that. And all those things, you can read all this information, and then you save changes. And if you are done adding information, you can publish this, and you'll be ready to send this link right here. You'll be able to add it on your Instagram, and whenever people find your Instagram, they'll be able to buy it through your link. And you can also put this link if you have 1,000 followers on TikTok. You can create a TikTok video showing this ebook, maybe a teaser. You create a teaser video, and then you tell them to check out the link in the bio, and they'll be able to find the link to your ebook, and they'll be able to get it at $10. And that's how you're going to be making money. This is the easiest part. The hard part is about promoting and marketing your ebook. You need to have a strategy to do that. You need to provide valuable information. If you are making TikTok videos, you have to give them valuable information about maybe 5 videos, and then in each video you have to have a call to action saying, if you need more information on this topic, you can check out my ebook, and you'll see some extra tips that I couldn't cover in this video. You'll be able to find them in my ebook. And that's how you get people to check out your ebook. And if they feel like you've been giving them valuable information for free, and they want to check out your premium book, they'll do it because you've developed a relationship with them. You don't just start a business without developing a relationship with your clients or customers, because people resonate more with a person they can understand and appreciate. Is been looking out for us and is been helping us with information. So just like I'm doing right now. And if you appreciate this information, guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and join the grind squad, guys, because this channel is about grinding and starting yourself an online business or a business in general. So this is how you do it, guys. You come up with an ebook, you use Gumroad to host your ebook, then you come up with a strategy and a platform where you want to promote your ebook, then you start grinding on that platform, getting as much traffic to check out your ebook, and then the people that appreciate your content will be able to support you and get the $10 ebook if they feel the information that you provided in your video was valuable and helped them. They would like to see something that is premium from you, and that's how you're going to be making money. And that's how you'll be making money. I don't know, my laptop is almost dying, guys, and this is where I end. I'll see you in the next video, guys. I hope everything was more value to you so that you can get started with your business. I'll see you in the next video. Peace, fellas and ladies.